How to create business expense category in Quicken. Follow the instruction. Open Quicken and go to your account file. Click on the Tools menu at the top of the screen. Select Category List from the drop-down options. Wait for the Category List window to appear. Look for the New Category button at the bottom of the window. Click on New Category to start creating a new entry. In the Setup window that opens, type the name of your category. Select Expense as the category type. Check the box to mark it as a business category if available. Decide if the new category should be a subcategory. If it is a subcategory, choose the parent category from the list. Select a tax line item if the expense is tax-deductible. Review the details you entered to make sure they are correct. Click OK to save your new business expense category. Thank you for watching.